I'm going to show you my recipe for baked chicken wings. We'll start by putting 2 cups of flour into a bowl and adding cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, paprika, and salt and pepper. Then we'll mix it all up. Next, grab some chicken wings and throw them into the bowl with the mixture. Make sure to get the mixture all over the chicken wings before then placing them on a sheet. Put the oven up to 450 degrees. And put the chicken wings in for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes has gone by, take the chicken wings out, and we're going to flip each chicken wing over. Now we can cook the other side of the chicken wing. We'll put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. The chicken wings will be finished cooking once the exterior resembles a golden brown. That's all there is to it. Enjoy!